Let's start this video narrative reflection. Assalamu alaikum and good day everyone. Welcome to our online public speaking event. So for today's event, I'm gonna talk about my knowledge, my reflection about the lesson 8, which is all about public speaking. And I am Nazati Silongan. I am your public speaker for today. Initially, my understanding about public speaking is all about conveying a message to an audience verbally. I recognize the importance of public speaking in various contexts like small gatherings and in a large digital presentations and uh, before my understanding about public speaking is that it is a face-to-face interaction between the speaker and an audience, but it evolved and it adapt the digital evolution, and it can reach globally. It can reach the audience globally through online platforms and like Facebooks and many more. So initially, we all know that when we talk about public speaking is that ang unang pumapasok sa isip natin is ang speaker is nagko-convey ng message sa kanyang mga audience. I didn't know yung mga before, hindi ko nalaman yung mga may mga strategies pala to reduce your anxiety and like in public speaking, may mga technique pala para ma-reduce yung anxiety natin, and it is very important to connect to your audience para mas ma-convey mo ng maayos yung mga message or yung message na need mong i-deliver mo sa yung audience. And before, basic lang yung knowledge ko sa public speaking. This topic is related, or I experience it in my personal life or personal experience, because I experience the both challenges and reward of speaking in front of other people. I experience it firsthand when I speak in front of many people. I feel the anxiety, the nervousness, yung kabado ka, yung nanginginig yung mga kamay mo, and basta yung mga kinakabahan ka at hindi mo ma-deliver ng maayos yung gusto mong i-deliver sa audience mo. And also, na-experience ko kung ano nga ba yung mabuting epekto ng pagpapractice or pagmamaster ng yung topic para mas maintindihan ng audience yung speech or topic mo. Connecting with the audience is something that I learned to value, because connecting with your audience, nandun yung empathy and understanding nyo sa isa't isa. And kapag nagko-connect ka sa audience mo when you do public speaking, is mas lalo mo silang ma-engage sa'yo, ma-engage kayo sa isa't isa, and naiintindihan nila ng maayos yung mga sinasabi mo. So, yung public speaking is related talaga siya sa buhay natin because it covers the improvement and growth mo as an individual. Kasi in public speaking, we learn to manage our anxiety. And it helps, yung pag-manage ng anxiety natin, it helps us to grow para alam natin kung paano natin i-manage yung sarili natin and paano tayo magre-react kapag nasa harap tayo ng maraming tao. And the public speaking is it is a continuous learning experience. Like, you can improve it for your own self-growth. I can relate the public speaking in any real situation. For instance, is yung political campaigns. We all know the ano bang tawag doon? Yung campaign nila, which is through public speaking. Kino-convey nila yung mga platforms nila. Kino-convince nila yung mga tao na maganda yung platforms nila in a way of public speaking. So, ine-engage nila yung sarili nila, yung mga politicians, ine-engage nila yung sarili nila sa mga tao para mapaniwala nila yung mga tao na maganda yung purpose nila, na tumatakbo sila para matulungan yung mga tao. And public speaking yung ginagawa nila. Kino-convince nila yung mga tao na maganda yung magiging influence nila sa ating society. And by that, yung mga tao is naniniwala kasi convincing ang way ng public speaking ng mga politicians. So, that is an example of real-world situation of this topic. Also, yung social movement and political activism. Napakalaki ng role ng public speaking in advocating the society, in advocating the people, in advocating the community para maging maayos yung community or maging maayos yung isang lugar. And alam naman natin na nangyayari talaga yon sa real totoong buhay, na yung public speaking is a way to improve, to give knowledge to other people para maging better pa yung community or para maging better yung ating society. The things that I have learned about this topic is that nalaman ko na may mga different strategies and techniques pala to reduce the anxiety of when speaking in front of many people. And also, may mga techniques pala para mapa-enhance mo yung delivery ng topic mo para mas lalong maintindihan ng mga audience yung mga sinasabi mo. And also, learning about the visualization techniques and the power of positive thinking to reduce nervousness was particularly fascinating because it highlights the psychological aspect of public speaking. I was also surprised by the power of storytelling, by the power of storytelling as a tool to engage in your audience. Kasi when you tell a story to your audience, mas magiging memorable and relatable yung mga topic na i-convey mo sa audience mo. So, I have come to know na very, very crucial na yung storytelling when you do public speaking. Kasi magiging relatable yung mga audience mo so that magiging mas focus sila sa'yo and magiging memorable din yung public speaking mo. These insights have significantly impacted my perspective and understanding of public speaking. Previously, I saw public speaking like primarily as a daunting task. Nakafocus lang siya mainly like delivering information and speaking to an audience. However, upon delving into the strategies and techniques outlined in the topic, is na-broaden yung understanding ko, revealing public speaking like as a nuanced art form that goes beyond mere communication. Understanding the psychological aspect of public speaking, like such as managing anxiety through visualization and positive thinking, has shifted my perspective on the emotional challenges involved. Instead of seeing nervousness as an inevitable obstacle, na-recognize ko na siya ngayon as a natural response that can be effectively managed with the right approach. And moreover, recognizing the power of storytelling, like I said before, captivating audiences has reshaped my view of public speaking as more than just conveying information. It's about crafting narratives that resonates with listeners on a deeper level. Like it can foster connection and engagement to your audience. And lastly, is the emphasis on continuous learning and improvement has instilled in me a sense of optimism and motivation. Like rather than viewing public speaking skills as static, I now see it as dynamic, like with ample room for growth and development over time. The insights gained from exploring effective public speaking are highly applicable to my both daily life and future studies. In my daily life, ma-apply ko yung learnings ko in various scenarios such as yung presentations or even casual conversation. For example, magagamit ko yung mga techniques like deep breathing and positive visualization to manage my nerves before speaking sa harap ng maraming tao in any social settings. Moreover, understanding the importance of connecting with audience and using storytelling to engage them can enhance my communication skills in all aspects of life. Whether I'm discussing ideas with colleagues or nag-share ko ng experiences ko sa mga kaibigan ko or in a larger audience. Like, I can tailor my approach to resonate with the listeners and make my message more impactful. In terms of future studies naman is, this insight can be valuable in academic settings in my opinion, because I can deliver my presentations more effectively, and by applying the techniques is maging effective yung pagde-deliver ko ng report ko sa klase, and kapag mag-share ko ng mga personal experience ko is magiging meaningful yung pagre-report ko. And the lesson learned from this topic is maraming strategies na magagamit natin na can be applied in our daily life. Like, may empower nito yung pakikipag-communicate natin sa ibang tao. And in future studies ko is magagamit ko to siya. Nagagamit ko na actually siya ngayon. Like, nadideliver ko. The lessons that I have learned from this topic is that I have so many lessons na nalaman dito sa topic na to, which is the public speaking. First of all is yung preparation is the key. Thoroughly preparing a speech or presentation, including outlining main points and creating a logical structure, lays the foundation for success. So this lesson emphasizes the importance of organization and planning in delivering a coherent and impactful message. And another thing is connection is crucial. Like, yung connection mo between your audience is napaka-importante, kasi paano mo ma-deliver ng effectively and maayos yung topic mo if wala kayong connection ng audience mo. And third one is practice makes perfect. By practicing your topic, like rehearsing is magiging mas maayos yung delivery mo, and mamamaster mo yung kung ano nga ba yung topic mo, and mas mako-convey mo siya ng maayos sa audience mo. And lastly is, there is improvement. In public speaking, may improve mo yung sarili mo, makakagain ka ng self-growth, and malalaman mo kung ano yung mga dapat mo pang i-improve sa sarili mo by doing public speaking. And that's all for today's online public speaking event. Again, I am Nazati Silongan, your public speaker, now signing off. I hope you learned something, and thank you for watching this narrative reflection video.